So I don't know about you, but there are a lot of times when there's just lots of stuff left in the fridge and you don't know what to do with it, or you get stuck in the same old rut. What do? I make a kitchen sink casserole. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. I'm going to take some leftovers and turn it into a delicious, amazing casserole. I'm looking in my refrigerator to see what I have that's left over. I generally look for a starch. Oh, look, hey, cool, check that out. Oh, look, I've got rice. I have some tomato sauce, which I love. And then I have a whole bunch of pizza leftovers. This is gonna make a great casserole, all kinds of bizarre things together. And some chicken. Looks good. All right, see how we go. When I do this, I generally like to start with liquid, mostly because it makes it easier to get stuff out of the pan. Some vegetables, a little bit of chicken, and some ham. And I'm just gonna layer this on top. What else could I do with this? I could do another pizza. I could make a great big chef salad. I could make an omelet. I could do interesting wraps that I heated in the oven. And then I'm gonna top it all with cheese. Into the oven it goes. There we go. So there you have it. Kitchen sink casserole. It's as easy as layering things together, topping with cheese, running in the oven for about a half an hour, and you have leftovers that are totally repurposed and look totally delicious and different. Happy, happy, tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tag a friend you think should see it, share it with somebody who loves creativity and frugality and using up those leftover bits in the fridge, and don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. I hope you have the most incredible week. Oh look, there's a piece of pizza on top. Oh, cool. I know what I'm having for maybe my lunch.